Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Back up your photos, contacts, and any app data to Google or Oppo Cloud so you can restore later. Make sure the battery is at least 50% and keep the charger handy. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings. This is faster than booting recovery. If you prefer recovery, power off and note the key combo. For the on-device path, head straight to additional settings to continue. This prevents accidental data loss and speeds the process. Now follow the on-screen flow, open additional settings, then back up and reset or erase all data. The phone will list the accounts tied to the device. Enter your Google or Oppo password when asked. This prevents activation lock after reset. Tap Erase all data and read the summary of items to be deleted. Confirm the action and let the phone perform the wipe. It can take several minutes. If you chose recovery mode instead, use volume keys to select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and press power. When the wipe finishes, the device reboots and shows setup screens. Follow them to restore your backup and sign into your Google or Oppo account. Make sure you use the same account used before the reset, otherwise activation lock can block access. If the phone gets stuck on boot or setup, reboot into recovery and run wipe cache, then factory reset again. If problems persist, contact Oppo support or visit a service center. Hardware faults can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.